Hello everyone, and welcome to my food and recipe channel. Today, I'm going to talk about something that is very important for everyone, especially those who are older and suffering from Alzheimer's disease. And I am talking about chickpeas. Chickpeas are very rich in phosphorus, which is a mineral that is essential for the function of the brain. It also contains healthy fats, such as omega-3 fatty acids, which help to reduce inflammation in the brain. The omega-3 fatty acids in chickpeas can help to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Chickpeas are also high in protein, which is essential for the growth and repair of brain cells. They are also rich in fiber, which can help to improve brain function and reduce the risk of stroke. There are many ways to incorporate chickpeas into your diet. You can add them to salads, soups, stir-fries, and even make chickpea flour for baking. You can also make chickpea curry, which is very delicious and healthy. In conclusion, chickpeas are an excellent food that can help to protect the brain from Alzheimer's disease. They are rich in phosphorus, healthy fats, and protein, which are essential for brain function. So, I encourage you all to try adding chickpeas to your diet and enjoy its many benefits. Thank you for watching.